Okay, welcome back again. In our previous, we talked about what S statement. S we talked about S statement because the project we're currently working at is a loan deduction program. Now, the X work for us. Maybe my balance is greater than this. It's going to print out this. S, if my balance is lesser than this, that's my input is lesser than, that means give me this, which in our previous is what we're talking about here. Let's see, it's running now. Let's wait. As you can see, it's running now. It's gonna take a little bit time. Okay, now it's already out. Now enter deposit. Now I deposit 20. I deposit 20,000, which the printout is what balance after loan deduction is 15. Increment by 1 now. Increment says increment by 1 on time payment loan. That means I pay on time. That's why they increment by 1 to encourage me. They increment by 1 because they want to encourage me. Now this debit loan I always pay anytime I enter my that means I make a deposit. Now there's something I want to take a note. Let's what input lesser than what 10, which is lesser than $10,000. Let's put $9,000 or 9,000 naira, which is my currency. Now you can see failed to process. Please contact the admin because it's lesser than what 10. Okay. Now let's say $10,000, $10,000. Let's see what will happen. Now failed to process cannot be equal to. I did not say equal to. If I say equal to here and I miss, give me something out. It's gonna give me something. Cancel on it. Okay. Now let's say $10,000. Now it print out. It print out. It print out because the operator shows here. I used to operator check this and check this. If it's possible, give me this. If it's not, give me wrong. Is what is equal to this. This give me what I pay up what still pay up my fee, but my balance remaining is now what 551. Now 5,001 naira. Your own is $1. Now this is it here. Let me pay lesser than. Let me say 7,000. 7,000 is gonna give me error 7,000, which is failed to process because of this operator. Now this is it here. I want to take note. Let me terminate it. I don't want it again. Now this is it here. Thank you. Now let's leave this. Now we want to do something new here. This is what this particular one we have here. Why is it here like this? Remember, I will record this for you now. I want to change it. How it's looking back is always what new and old balance. Now this my balance here. I want to turn it to what new balance, which is just add NEW underscore. That means new balance. Now in this my new balance, anywhere there is new balance, I want to start changing it. Anywhere there's zero, just start changing it. I want to program other new program which is going to stay old and new what balance, old balance and new balance. Just control V and control C and control V, which copy and what post. Now this is it here. I turn my balance now to what new underscore balance. Now it will still run. I want to do something. Now let me change it here. I want to change my printout. Say balance. No, I want to say new balance, like the way really looking bank setup. Now new balance. I can add it to it like this, just new balance. Now this is how it's gonna look like now. Let's enter 20,000. Now new balance after loan deduction is now deposit. Debit loan is now what 5,000 naira. Now this is it here. Now this look strange to people. This is known as what your old balance. Now let's declare what it. Now let's say old underscore balance, which is what 10,000 equals to, let's assign value 10,000. Now I want to replace this now. to this. I don't want to use what straight integer value. I want to use variable, comparing variable to variable. Now, which is what? Old balance. Now, I'm comparing this variable to this variable now, which is what? Old balance. Now, it's because it's uppercasing now. As you can see, no error now. Now I'm comparing this now, variable greater than variable. These two variables, there are value assigned to it. This is credit what? My new balance. Credit my new balance. Now, do I have an old balance, which is this? Yes, I have an old balance. It's just like when I run a program, that operator that says what? Look, operator says what? Greater than equal to. Now, I place 7,000 naira. I want it to still run because I still have old balance. That means I still have money inside this account. Now, minus what? The new from the old, which is going to say, it says fail to process. Why? The operator says here, greater than or equal to. It must be what? Greater than. That means the input. That means my new that I'm depositing must be greater than or equal to. That means equal to means that it neither be what? 20,000, which is going to be greater than, or is going to be equal to what? The old, which is 10,000, 10,000. Now let's input 10,000, 10,000, which is $10,000 or 10,000 naira. Now I'm going to say new balance after loan deduction is now what? 5,001 naira. You can say $1. Now this is what I'm trying to say here. Comparing what? Your variable with variable, not variable with what? Value, which is known as what? Integer value. Conditional statement, that is what? Expression. If conditional statement. If statement which expressed with conditional way. Now this is what I just want to show you here. Now you can see you now have what? New and old balance. Now you compare your what? Your new balance and your old balance in your if statement to checkmate. Is either what? Is equal to, is greater than or equal to. If it's greater than equal to, it will run. But if it's greater than only, which is just only this, it will not run when you are inputting what? $10,000 or 10,000 naira. Let's run it and see. Now let's say 10,000. It will not run. Fail to what? Process. Please contact your admin because the expression here does not say it's like this. It's just only like this. If it's like this, it will run. Now let's checkmate. Let's input the 10 value you see here. This value you see here, just input it. Now, which it run. New balance after loan is now like this. Thank you so much for understanding what loan, how to program a loan, and then using if statement, also using what? Operators to handle what? Your loan, programming loan, and also using what? If and else statement. Thank you. This is the end of what? The loan. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.